This tutorial is going to help you get your eSuite lesson up for your everyday math. Alrighty, so this is your dashboard once you've logged in, and these are really the tools that you'll use to prepare and get ready, the e-presentations and the e-tools being the main ones. But remember that your planner is right here. Professional development has a lot of resources and tools that can help you utilize this resource really well. But I'm going to click into e-presentations. And I only have first and second grade lessons right now, so I'm going to click into a lesson. They really like you to click on the plus or the minus. If you try to click on the unit, it doesn't go anywhere. So I'm going to click into lesson 1 for unit 6, and first I'm going to load up the getting started. And it asks me what I want to do with it because I'm in Internet Explorer. I'm going to click open. And I don't need to fill in any information here. I just need to click I accept and run a personal edition. You'll need to do this each and every time that you go into Active Inspire. I'm going to close this toolbar. And to get ready for the math lesson, I'm also going to close the page browser as well. I can use the plus and minus, and I can use the page back and forward. And if you're in your everyday math teacher book, you'll know the progression of the lesson. So I've got one part of my lesson up, and I can see it right up here. It's got the getting started, but I need to come back to Internet Explorer. And once I click on this link on the bottom, then all the tabs come up. And if I hover, then I can see them and see what I need. So here's the one that I need. And I'm going to click on part 1. And I'm going to click open. And now I have part 1 and part 2. It does not show the Active Inspire box again, but I can check up here and I can see that I have both of them. So now I'm ready to get started with my lesson. But I think that I would probably want to have the toolbar up as well. So if you click on the toolbar, you can hover, and I'm going to go back to my dashboard, and I'm going to click on eToolkit. This is going to load my toolkit. I'm going to make it full screen, and then I'm going to minimize it. And I'm going to hover over the Internet Explorer, and you can do this with Firefox too if you have more than one window. If you hover over it, and then I'm going to come up and I'm going to close everything now that I don't need, because I have my toolkit and I have my Active Inspire lessons. I don't need my dashboard anymore. If you want to keep it though, you can. I definitely don't need the Mallets Bay website or SharePoint or any of that. I want to quickly be able to go from Active Inspire to my toolkit on Internet Explorer, and I would use the bottom bar to help me with that. So I can go here, I can work in my lesson, and then I can come back here, and if I want the toolkit, then I can just grab whatever I want. We can grab a calculator, do some quick computation, off we go, back to the bottom, Active Inspire, and I'm right back into my lesson. Remember that you can move this toolbar, and if you click this little square, it tells you where it's docked. I would prefer it to be docked on the bottom, because then all of my tools are on the bottom, just like Easy Teach. That's all we have for today. You can go back and forth between your two sets of tools now. You can use your arrow button. I'm going to click on here. And you can go to the different parts of the lesson. You can go to the second part of your lesson by just clicking the tab. So you only need to click the top and the bottom. You can go to your math message follow-up, and then again, you can go straight through. Now, if you want to show the timeline or the slide box, then you can just click on My Notes, and it will come right up for you, and then just X out of it when you're done with it.